making money and capitalizing on trends with the xTool Apparel Printer. So just a couple items here, but I've made hundreds of different items, and in this video, I'm going to give you a lot of sales ideas, really briefly show you a little bit about the Apparel Printer, but just all the applications. Obviously, a lot of major world events, timely things, small orders, but just showing you how this machine really does hold up to do a quick order, quick turnaround, make a quick profit. So here we have it. You can use the timestamps if you want to skip on around, but making money with the Apparel Printer. So let's jump right into it. My favorite part about this Apparel Printer is I get an idea and I just take that image, I throw it in the easy software. If it's a bad image, it'll enhance it, it'll make it better. You know, it removes the background and literally you press print. It runs it through the machine, it puts on the adhesive powder, it cures it, and then you have your sheet and then you just go to a heat press, you press it on a shirt, you're done. And so, you know, I can do, you know, a dozen shirts in one afternoon, no sweat, right? So I get an idea, someone puts in an order, someone says, hey, I need, you know, some shirts for this family vacation. We're going to Disney. Or, hey, we're getting a new pet and we all want to have matching shirts for the dog. You can knock it out in no time. And so it's so fast, quick turnaround. We'll jump more into that a little bit later. But a couple ideas that you see here. Obviously, there's some major world events happening, right? And so you can look at holidays, you know, whether it's the 4th of July here in the United States, right? 250th anniversary. That is a huge thing, right? Everyone, at least in the States, they love to get their patriotic shirts. Well, 250 is kind of special. There's a lot of great designs. We'll explore some other ideas on designs later. Anyway, that's something that's not copyrighted at all, right? You can do anything. You don't even have to worry about sales on that. And there's so many great images out there. That's a great option. You know, other holidays, you know, a variety of holidays. Holidays, easy. When you get into things like sports, like obviously I'm not going to be selling this Messi shirt. This was just an example I made for my kids. I don't have the rights to that. But there's plenty of ideas with the World Cup. The World Cup. Right now is a time to jump on in this, folks. Soccer, right, or football, worldwide recognized. Well, you don't have to do the print of the face. You could do the team, right? So Team Germany, lots of files like this where it's just, you know, you could just have the flag on one side and you could have a number on the back. You know, we're not going to include Messi's name. We're not going to include Ronaldo's name. And you don't have to worry about sales or copyright or any of that because obviously, you know, something like this, a Super Bowl shirt for the Seahawks. I didn't sell these. I'm a huge Seahawks fan. We're local. I made these for my family. We had a big Super Bowl party and I made like 40 of these. And everyone who came had a different shirt, all kinds of varieties. Now this has players' faces. It has the logo, NFL. I couldn't sell this, but there are creative ways to make things that aren't, you know, copyrighted still for those events without using the logo. And so we'll explore some other ideas with that. You also have pop culture, right? And so popular movies that are really popular, you know, you can kind of see here, this is, you know, Project Hail Mary, very popular. Some other, you know, things like, if you know, Amaze, 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 Fist My Bump. Great movie, great book. Dungeon Crawler Carl, all kinds of other things with pop culture and timely events like the Artemis II launch to the moon. At least here in the United States, this was a major event that caught everyone's attention and everyone was really into it. So you can get some cool graphics like this. You can even include on the back of the shirt the path. So other world events, I think, is a great application. So let's jump in, explore just how easy this is, some other sales ideas, and then of course, some design tips and tricks and free files. So the printer itself is amazing. Vibrant colors, it does that white layer on the back so you can print on any color, right? So this can be transferred to any color shirt, not just white shirts like sublimation. But if you add the shaker oven, it adds in that powder distribution. So it's going to put the powder on, it's going to automatically shake it, it's going to go through the oven, and it's going to pop out like so. And then you can see that adhesive is going to be cured on the back. So a vibrant print, great print. We got that white backing and there's the adhesive. It's all cured and it's all self-contained. I'm not breathing any of that fume, that powder. It is cancerous, right? So here, this purifier, it sucks up all the smell. It's fantastic and amazing. Now you can go with the option of, yeah, I have just the printer and I don't have the whole shaker oven. but you're gonna have to do something like this. You're gonna have to manually add the powder. You're probably going to wear gloves and a respirator like you see here because you don't want to breathe this stuff. And then you're going to have to cure it in a separate oven. It's time consuming and it's kind of dangerous. But eventually you're going to get your prints, right? So you get your transfers. These are all the transfers that I did here on the whole system. So it did the whole thing for me. It cured it. It shook the powder, and then I took it to a heat press. This was from a while ago using just, any heat press you can find. This one's manual. It works. It definitely did the process, and you can definitely do that. Since then, I have much better system, better setup. But you can see this printer, we get all kinds of ideas, all kinds of shirt ideas for sales, of course, which we're going to get into some more ideas in this video. But you can see how simple it is, right? You press it, and then you do have to do a second press at a little lower temperature, but really easy. Well, a bonus, and this is a little shout out, this is the new WonderPress from xTool. I have a video on this. This thing is amazing. You get more pressure. It's even heat distribution. You have the tray to slide out. I was able to do all the shirts you saw at the beginning so fast. I did close to 100 shirts just in one afternoon, and it made it so much simpler. That heat press right now, I think it's like $279 for the early bird price, which you can't beat online. Like normal heat press that's like manual and all that, it's like $150. So if you're at all interested, I definitely jump on that WonderPress early bird discount. Check the link down below for that. Pretty awesome. But here you can see real time. We pressed it, you peel it. This is that halftone effect. Well, this one's not halftone, but pretty cool kind of World Cup vibes with this one. And like an idea like that one probably you could sell because there's no, official trademark thing. Obviously, I'm not going to sell Ronaldo. But here's a halftone, which is another cool idea. Very popular. And so you press it, the WonderPress, it's awesome. Now the WonderPress also does have other modules like an oven module. Now I know I just said don't do the powder distribution, it's all sketchy, but this has purifiers. It has some filters in the back of the actual heat oven module. So I can take a print and I could apply the powder myself and I could bake it with this. So if you can't afford the whole shaker oven, you could do this option and it does take most of the fumes away. You still smell it a little bit, but this is a cost saving option if you can't afford the whole unit. Check out that video to learn more on that WonderPress. But here's a quick idea. A friend mocked this up in AI, just a fun design. The Seattle skyline, it's spelled differently for a last name. Or like this one I've showed in other videos, sports teams. This is a great way to jump on, whether you have, a football team, baseball, basketball, get the player number on the back of the shirt. And you can make swag for parents on a team, grandparents, family members. We did a bunch of these for my son, and everyone was decked out. But you could do this for a whole team celebration shirts, championship shirts, travel ball, so many options there. Again, the idea is this is so fast and you have a quick turnaround. I'm a teacher, and at my school, we love to wear different t-shirts. So we have a literacy night shirt, right? I just was able to whip that up in one night, had an idea, printed it, made a couple for some other friends, grade level shirts. That's fifth grade forever. You can do this for schools, right? A lot of it works. A lot of working establishments, they love that, but especially schools. I think that's a great way, not necessarily a trend, but again, a way to make some money, some quick sales. Look at that. All of these different prints we were able to knock out in no time on the WonderPress. Other sales ideas would be like a camp. So I had to do this last minute. This was literally last minute. I was taking my fifth graders to camp the next day and we were short some shirts for my chaperones. I had the shirts on hand. I printed it out. I didn't have to do my screen printer. So much faster. You could also do branding for other businesses. Again, we can do a variety of colored t-shirts. We don't have to just do white. It presses so easy. And so you can do t-shirts for a business, for the workers, for giveaways. Lots of ideas on that. I mentioned earlier, pop culture, right? And so pop culture, a movie's out, everyone's talking about it. Hey, here we go. We got some all kinds of stuff there. You have the Artemis 2 launch. You can see the USA 250 years. We got the World Cup. This is just a lot of different ideas. You can also see in here, you could also do like can koozies. You don't have to just do apparel. DTF can be pressed on a variety of things. Just giving you some inspiration for all the ways that you can apply it. This is what you probably could sell because it doesn't have a player's name. It doesn't have their name and image and likeness. So you can do country like this, or again, just do a flag. We use it for all kinds of things. One of my sons, his superpower is wearing t-shirts with his favorite mascots and having a matching stuffy. And so we've made all these different shirts. This is intellectual property. I'm not selling these, but this just gives you a feel for the quality of the shirts. So personalized birthday shirts. You know, again, you're not going to sell licensed stuff. I'm just showing what I was able to make for my son and see that print quality is pretty special, especially on all those different colored shirts. And all those other special occasions, we are expecting our dog Rivet, and in the meantime, we have shirts that say I love Rivet. So you can do that as well. But wait, there's more. We can do hats with DTF. So DTF, you could do these sublimation hats, trucker hats. It doesn't have to be the white style because this is DTF, not sublimation. But get yourself a hat press, and you can also use those DTF prints on there. All right, some more design ideas and tips right here. So really quick, we're going to just take a look at the software. So the software is super simple. My other videos really get into it, but you can see, again, these ideas, you just plop it in there. It's so easy. There's a mock-up, right, where you can see what it looks like on another garment. You know, oh, I want it bigger. You know, I want it on a t-shirt. No, I actually want the size like there for a large. Okay, let's apply the scaling. So much more to the software. Again, that's in other videos. Yeah, okay, so low image DPI. I need to make that image bigger, so we can just go over to edit, and you can AI enhance, you can do a cutout. So many great features in here. Again, reference those other videos for more on the software, but I do want to show something that I think is really cool. All these files, right? So all the files that you see, the majority of them I get from Creative Fabrica. So if I bought this, you know, this file on Etsy, this would be about $4, right, for all these different designs. But here on Creative Fabrica, it's just $3.99 for an unlimited subscription. So let's say I wanted to do that USA, you know, 4th of July is coming up. So look at all these different files. I could download all of these, and it's still under that one subscription. So a lot of these are the ones you actually see over on Etsy, and you know, quite a few ideas that you can look at here. That's just one, you know, current trend. They usually pop up all the time, but if you just wanted to do just generic t-shirts, look at all these files, right? So all your different phrases, you know, and it's going to pop up whatever's trending. So this is also a good place to check what's trending. Now, if you use my link down below, you do get a free 10 downloads before purchasing. I pay for it myself. It is our affiliate link, so we get a little bit of a commission, so help support my family. But at least get your 10 free files. Check out some cool designs. Really cool, really awesome. So check that out with a link down below. Well, folks, there are so many more shirts. I have made hundreds, but this just gives you an idea of some recent world events, some recent holidays, pop culture, very timely, that you can jump on for the trends. All right, folks, there's just some ideas on sales, right? There are so many more. Be sure to check out those other videos. They obviously go a lot more in depth on the printer, the maintenance, the pressing, and all those other questions. But if there is a question that you have or something I didn't cover, drop a comment down below and we'll try and answer it or incorporate it in a future video. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Obviously, there's a lot of content now on apparel with DTF. We got embroidery, there's laser machines, there is woodwork still, all things maker and really small business and home craft, but a lot on this and some exciting developments coming with this. So consider subscribing. If you're interested in that apparel printer, it is amazing. And so you can get the all-in-one, which is one of those great features where you get the printer and then it has that whole shaker oven where it applies the powder, it shakes it, and it bakes it. And it's all contained. You have purification. It's so much faster. However, xTool did come out with their new heat press, which we showed, and it has that baking module, right? So you could, if you can't quite swing the whole thing, you could buy the printer and then get this with the oven module to cure your prints and then of course to press your prints. So that is an option for money savings. However, if you really want to eliminate all the smell of that powder, that adhesive powder and all of that, you do want to go with the whole all-in-one shaker oven because you can hook up the full purifier. Anyway, considerations. Just to learn more, check out this link right here, link down below as well. It is our affiliate link. If you end up making a purchase, we do get a small commission. It helps support my family, but at least do your own research, see the specs and just all the goodness on this printer. It's amazing. And like I said, I've been using it for a year. I love it. I've been able to make so many awesome things and it's just a quick turnaround. So fun, awesome. Hopefully this video did add some value and give you some ideas. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and until next time.